5 ways to clear your loans. Managing and clearing loans can be a daunting task, but with the right strategies, it's entirely possible. Here are 5 effective ways to help you clear your loans, ensuring financial stability and build a brighter future for you and your family. Number 1. Loan analysis and prioritization. The first step in clearing your loans is to understand and prioritize them. List all your loans, including home loans, personal loans, car loans, credit card debts, and any other forms of debt. Here's how to approach this. Categorize your loans. High interest loans, credit card debts, payday loans, and other high interest loans should be your top priority. Medium interest loans. Personal loans and car loans typically fall into this category. Low interest loans. Home loans and educational loans usually have low interest rates and can be tackled later. Debt avalanche method. Focus on paying off loans with the highest interest rates first. This method saves you more money on interest in the long run. Make minimum payments on all other debts and allocate extra funds to the highest interest loan. Debt snowball method. For those who need quick wins to stay motivated, start with the smallest loan balance first. Regardless of interest rate, paying off small debts quickly can provide a psychological boost and encourage you to continue. Number 2. Budgeting and expense tracking. To clear loans, it's crucial to manage your finances meticulously. Here's how to get started. Create a budget. List all sources of income. Track all your expenses. Identify areas where you can cut costs. Expense tracking. Use a diary or a digital app to record daily expenses. Review your spending habits monthly to identify unnecessary expenditures. Cut down on luxuries like eating out, subscriptions, and impulse purchases. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Avoid high-cost habits such as smoking or excessive drinking, which not only save money but also improve health. Downgrade your lifestyle temporarily, such as moving to a smaller home or selling unused items to save more money. Number 3. Increase your income. Increasing your income can significantly help you paying off your loan faster. Here are some practical ways to boost your earnings. Freelancing and part-time jobs. Freelancing platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer numerous opportunities to earn extra money based on your skills. Part-time jobs. Consider part-time work such as food delivery, ride-sharing, Uber, Ola, or tutoring. Overtime and side gigs. Overtime. If your current job allows, take an overtime shift. Side gigs. Start a small business or offer services such as consulting, coaching, or digital marketing. Digital opportunities. Online courses. Create and sell online courses based on your expertise. Use platforms like Udemy or Coursera to reach a wider audience. YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel to share your knowledge or skills. Once monetized, it can become a steady income source. Number 4. Loan consolidation and refinancing. Consolidating and refinancing loans can simplify your payments and reduce interest rates. Loan consolidation. Single payment. Combine multiple high-interest loans into a single loan with a lower interest rate. Credit card consolidation. Convert credit card debt into a personal loan or an EMI plan to reduce interest rates. Refinancing. Home loan refinancing. Refinance your home loan to take advantage of low interest rates. This can free up money to pay off other debts. Top-up loans. If you have a home loan, consider a top-up loan to consolidate other high-interest debts. Number 5. Strategic networking and passive income. Leveraging your network and creative passive income streams can provide long-term financial stability. Networking. Build a network. Cultivate a network of contacts who can offer business opportunities or referrals. Community involvement. Engage in community activities that can lead to profitable connections. Passive income. Real estate. Rent out properties or unused land for additional income. Investments. Invest in stocks, bonds or mutual funds to generate dividends and capital gains. Insurance and financial services. Become an agent for insurance or financial services to earn commissions on sales. Strategic opportunities. Real estate mediation. Act as a mediator in real estate transactions for a commission. Car parking business. If you own a land in a strategic location, convert it into a parking lot for regular income. Digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or software. By implementing these strategies, you can systematically reduce and eventually clear your loans, providing financial peace and security for you and your family. Remember, achieving financial freedom is all about taking strategic steps, staying disciplined, and having access to the right resources. Starting November 1st, you can explore our new subscription options designed to support your financial journey. Choose from our category-wise monthly subscription at Rs 499. Unlock every course with all courses monthly subscription at 999. Opt for the yearly all courses subscription at 5,999 or get the best value with all courses 3-year subscription at 9,999. Invest in your growth and take charge of your future with a plan that fits your need. See you in the next session. My name is Anupam Anand. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked. Please make sure to comment and subscribe the channel if you haven't yet.